Hi folks, we've managed to squeeze in one more case study before next month's Gallow on the Road Season 2. This time, we're over at Shucks, installation by Glasgow Audio.
Hi there, my name's Martin. I'm the General Manager here at Shucks in Glasgow. Here at Shucks, our concept is primarily seafood, great kind of locally sourced Scottish seafood, treated with the utmost care and respect, and we have this fantastic bar area offering a delightful amount of house creation cocktails, classics, wines, champagnes, absolutely everything. We approached Glasgow Audio about upgrading our